In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the traffic feature in Bing Maps. I know Bing doesn't get used for a lot. Not many people know that Bing has this, so I kind of wanted to highlight it here. If you go to Bing Maps, there is a option for traffic, and you hit that traffic option. And I happen to be over here in Denver, right? And I set my map setting to road, just so I can see all the roads. Now you could put an aerial in there so you can see like satellite footage right in there if you want, but for this one, because I'm focusing on the roads, it's just a little easier to just see only that. So what I'm going to do here is actually just go down and I can actually see traffic cameras that are set up that I can access. Now they aren't like video feed cameras, they're just they get like a snap every so often of the road, from what I can tell, right? So you would just go down to where you want to look at. It's got this traffic legend right here, so you can see if traffic is bad in any given area at any time, and you can just go and click on that, and you can just look and you can see how clear the roads are, right? So pretty handy, not gonna lie. Anyhow, I just want to show you that Bing has that, as a lot of people probably don't know that it does have that. So anyhow, hope this helped you out, and thank you for watching.